Hey guys, this is part 2. Heading to the family farm. We're gonna make a ride, I bet.
Yeah, I think so.
Nailed it. Guys, you will not believe the amount of cornfields that are up here. I didn't expect it. You got a little. Seen it right here. My grandma's house burnt down, guys.
Oh no.
Like 4 or 5 years ago. I'm glad I got to see it.
The house that was up here?
Yeah, not Grandpa's house, but oh, here we go. Crookshank Road. Zoom in on it.
That's a good old English name.
Got it. Oh, it's English.
Crookshank, yeah.
Crookshank Road.
A lot of Crookshanks in England.
Well, guys.
God, this isn't bad. This is paved road.
Yeah.
You got the Virginia road this big, it'd be dirt.
Really?
Oh yeah.
There's still dirt roads.
Still a lot of dirt roads. Dirt and gravel. Maintained by the state.
Wow. Oh, this used to be farmland. Now it's all trees.
Yep.
Hunting land now.
Yeah, yeah.
But this is it. Now, Grandpa, he had an Uncle George that had an Alice Chalmers B,
Yeah.
like the one we got at home.
The first tractor I ever drove a lot of was a Ford.
Ford 8N?
It was a 40 horse, whatever that was. It was my godfather's.
Uh-huh.
And I could use a big baler for cutting hay.
Mm-hmm.
And it was a good tractor.
Yep.
And, oh, this is it.
This is all farmland right here, guys. Was. This was it. Uh-oh. Here we go. Oh, I'm about to lose my mind. Wow. Oh man.
And that was Andy's house.
Yep. Okay, I'll buckle back up. Bling, ba-ding, ba-ding, ba-ding.
I suppose that's
So-
Japanese.
Sorry, guys. Grandpa's Navy buddy that served with him. There it is. Ah. That's the house.
Okay.
And over there was a field. Back there was a field. Right here was a field. I think that was all. This used to be corn, cotton. I'm sorry. I want to get out and take that picture.
Okay, go ahead.
Appreciate it. Whatever you guys do not come down this road. This is it. I don't remember if there was a barn somewhere. Man, the history. Family history. Okay, I'm good.
There we go. Whoops, excuse me.
Oh. Hey. Got it.
Did we turn around or follow him? Or
He went that way.
Yeah.
Bling. I'm working on it, Subaru. I'm working on it. these new cars. They just ding, ding, ding. Buckle seatbelt. 300 feet, turn right. Prepare for ejecto-ceto. Well, yeah, we got more farmland. What's left of it. Both sides. There he is, there he is.
Okay.
Well, y'all see that Ford up there? Oh, there's two of them.
I just made a U-turn at the stop sign there.
Okay, I'll do it.
All right. This was it. This is where he grew up. But guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that little ride. Well, we're still going. I thought we were stopping.
We did, very briefly.
Okay, now y'all get this side. All this is now grown up.
Well, you can imagine a couple of horses trying to pull a wagon up.
Yes,
that.
sir. Ooh. Can you imagine a 4 mile H pulling a John Deere number 12 combine
Yeah.
up that hill?
Nope.
There's the house. This is where he planted all of his corn back in the day.
Okay. What else? How big was the farm? Because they had cows.
Had cows. That's probably where he kept the cows. Barn somewhere in here. Was. I hope it still is.
Because they'd have to milk that cow.
So, my grandpa, when he met my grandma, my grandma had a horse and she kept it up here on the farm here.
Oh.
And, well, Grandpa's dad, he loved horses, and knowing what happened there was, well, Grandpa's dad took care of the horse.
Okay. And that's how they.
Exactly. And then the Navy, like I said in the last video, the Navy called him and all that other fun stuff. Then he met this fine gentleman, and what is it now? 50 years?
We met in August or September of 1969.
Wow. What about that? What ship? The Quishaway?
He was in the Coishaway,
Mm-hmm.
and I was in the Ponchatoula
Okay.
from Plaquemine Parish in Louisiana.
Uh-huh.
And I'm not sure where the Coishaway, the location of the property the Coishaway
Yes.
is named after. And I don't know where that.
Huh. But Grandpa was not too far from the church.
No.
There it is, Buffalo Presbyterian.
Now, if you were in a horse-drawn wagon, how long would it take you to get from his house to that church?
Probably about 5 minutes. I'm just guessing. But yeah, this was all it. But guys, we're heading to the mill now. So
The
yeah.
meal at the field house.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Speaking of corn, this is a huge cornfield. This will make the Davis farm, which is close to Papa's property. I mean, like you could about a mile, not even, yeah, about a mile road. I make that cornfield right there make theirs look like a little acre. That's the difference between that field and the Davises. But the Davises got a good chunk of land. But that's all I want to say. So, anyway, this is home. And hey, I got me a Dr. Pepper. So, wow. Old refurbished. Man, that one's old. This was, look how hilly this was.
Yeah.
And he drove a tractor on this.
Well, we didn't go back and just.
And a 33 Ford coupe.
Wow. I can imagine that Ford coupe's transmission.
Oh.
Oh,
Imagine it after 6 years of just shifting up, down, up, down.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 1, 3. I mean, 1, 2. Now they made them where they won't do that. And it's automatic. Bull crap. Which I'm not knocking on the automatics, but they are good for what they're made to do.
I wonder if there is that sufficient. I've never driven an automatic tractor. I've only driven gears.
I've never been on. Well, yeah, I have been on an automatic tractor. It's called a John Deere lawnmower and a Cub Cadet lawnmower.
Oh, okay.
But I've never been on one that had an automatic transmission. I like the old-fashioned clutch, put the clutch in and shift it. But this was it. This was home. But guys, like I said, I'm going to leave it here. So, see y'all in the next one.